Scootio, can you tell where it's going to land?
Adventure Park! Head for the bridge! Boom!
Hey, what did you get for Christmas, Split? New tyres, same as last year and the year before. Do they help you deliver faster, Blip? No, they're the same old thing, thanks. Huh? What's happening? I can fly? I can fly! Woohoo! Yeah!
Blip, are you okay?
Okay. This is so much better than new tyres. I'm going to be the best delivery bike ever by a lot.
Whoa! There it is!
It's almost down!
When you're as fast as Ricky,
Who needs a twin rocket booster?
Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Now let's begin with the light show.
Oh no, we're too late. I should never have taken that light.
I give you Wheelford! Oh, no! oh no, what?
Where? We have to do something. I've ruined the whole show.
Sorry, folks, we seem to be having some technical difficulties.
Oh, where did we go wrong?
Oh, you didn't. I took the light. I'm sorry.
But why?
I wanted it to be perfect for the show. It was boring and I wanted it to be amazing.
Oh, well, we can certainly understand that.
Code 54, no idling engines. Clear the square, folks, or we'll have to wait another 100 years for the next show.
Oh. Are you going to have to cancel the show?
Maybe not. Let's use Zoom Cam.
Zoom cam, go!
DJ, lift up the light. Let's try this again. I give you Wheelford! Do it, Zoom Cam! Yeah, Zoom-tastic!
Well, I guess sometimes making a mistake can turn out Zoom-tastic! I never knew how much I wanted to use a really, really big magnet, but I really, really did.
Can I try? Oh, yeah! Watch out, Muffler Crunk! Ricky Zoom's got power!
Whoa, Loop! Is your crossbar metal?
I guess so! Hey, watch this! Ramp is big fun, but this is magnet fun!
Not just fun, Loop. Science! We need to test all of these controls. Now, what does this one do? Sorry, Loop.
Try press the buttons. I can't reach the controls.
Try that one, or this one.
What's it doing?
Is that a good noise?
Or a bad noise?
That's a science going wrong noise.
Where did that come from?
Those came from way over there. The magnet must be set to super strong pulling power.
I'm sorry, Mrs. Bankley. A schedule is a schedule.
Wait! There they are! Mrs. Bankley, the float is here.
Did it, DJ? I knew you could do it.
I'm sorry, kids, but you're too late. Rule 43 of the parade code states that no float shall join the parade once it has begun moving along the designated route. You can't argue with the parade code.
Oh, I'm so sorry, dears. You tried.
Now, let's clear this street. No.
I'll do it.
You pulled that thing all this way?
That's right, Officer Bunker. He did.
Still awesome, eh? Is that the Ultra Super Beam from issue 87?
Yep.
Well, you know, the parade code is really more like guidelines than rules. Hurry up now. You can still catch up to the last float.
Yes!
Everybody loves Steel Awesome. He's the best hero.
I don't think Steel is the hero they're cheering for.
Oh, there it is, kids. I told you DJ would do it.
DJ! DJ! DJ!
Well done, DJ. Strong and steady.
That's my little bike.
Like this?
Just hammer that on there. Good. That's it. I give you the bike controller.
Whoa!
And they said it could not be done.
Who said?
You did.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so who wants to be remote controlled?
Oh.
Really? Nobody wants to?
I can't even control myself, so I'm pretty sure nobody else could.
I'll do it.
Toot? You don't mind being remote controlled?
Does it mean I get to play Steel Awesome with you guys?
Well, yeah, but...
I'm your bike, Ricky. Bring it on.
Cool, Toot.
Awesome, Toot!
Good for you.
I know.
Okay, here it goes. Toot, roll backwards.
Am I doing it?
Roll backwards.
Oh, that remote control is a whole lot of remote and no control.
Did I make it wrong?
No, you made it right. I guess it just doesn't work.
Oh, well, it was worth a try. See you later, Toot.
You're going? But... Ricky, wait. I think I had my parking brake on. Let's try again.
Toot, it's not...
Please?
Fine. Roll backwards.
Rolling backwards.
I did make it right.
It's working.
Unbelievable.